Hello, my healthy friends, and welcome to another episode of Fit Life in Africa with me, Charo. Now, here at Fit Life, we love ourselves a good success story. And in this episode, we celebrate It Boy Tyrone Kretzmann. Now an internet sensation, Tyrone has been on a journey to get himself a six-pack. And trust me, this boy is going hard at it. And if you ask me, stories like these is exactly why social media exists. Not only does he do every other exercise in the book to lose weight, like ice dunks, Pilates, skateboarding, lifting weights, and eating healthy, but also for every follower he has, he walks that number of inches every single day. Working out is not easy, even for us seasoned fitness coaches. Exercise often involves pushing your body beyond its comfort zone, which is extremely physically challenging. Now, imagine doing that and exposing your journey to a world full of trolls to see. It can't be easy. What Tyrone is doing really takes a lot of courage. And for that only, this young man deserves all our following and love so we can motivate him to keep going. If you're looking to start your workout journey, don't give up. Just like Tyrone did, try finding a motivating factor and stay committed. All the best, my fabulous friends, and congratulations, Tyrone. You got this. That's it for me today. Give this video a like and share it to spread some motivating vibes. Goodbye, my healthy friends.